Secretary Powell and Administrator Whitman and I are pleased to make an announcement on the Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants. This international agreement would restrict the use of 12 dangerous chemicals, POPs as they are known, or the dirty dozen. Negotiations were begun by the previous administration, and this treaty achieves a goal shared by this administration. I'm pleased to announce my support for the treaty and the intention of our government to sign and submit it for approval by the United States Senate.
Breaking news today, May 21st, 2001, the United States joined forces with 90 other countries to reduce the production and use of 12 key POPs. This came into action with the signing of the Stockholm Convention. Persistent organic pollutants are chemical substances that persist in the environment, bioaccumulate through the food web, and pose a risk of causing adverse effects to human health and the environment. Matthew Scheiman, my correspondent, has more information on the issue.
Thanks, Perry. Many people ask me what they can do to reduce the amount of mercury released by coal utility companies. There are many things you as an individual can do to cut down. This includes turning off lights when not in use, shutting off electronics when not in use, eating less fat, and buying items from companies with environmentally friendly production methods. Back to you, Perry, to talk about a hot topic in the news: compact fluorescent light bulbs.
Compact fluorescent light bulbs contain a small amount of mercury but are still being recommended for widespread use. Why? The energy savings delivered through the use of CFLs will actually reduce more mercury pollution from coal-fired power plants. You save so much energy by using these bulbs that it outweighs the small amount of mercury found inside. We go now to Nick, who will talk about safe use of these CFLs.
To prevent compact fluorescent light bulbs from being detrimental to the environment, you must dispose of them properly. This means making sure that old CFLs you threw out don't end up in garbage dumps emitting mercury. Back to Perry to talk about dioxins.
People always ask me, how can I prevent dioxins from being released into the atmosphere? I love getting this question. It makes me feel so soft and buttery on the inside. The answer is simple: save water, reduce electricity use, and recycle.